Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2017 Toyota RAV4 Platinum. It has a clean one-owner Carfax and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 18-inch alloy wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic projector beam, LED daytime running auto high beam headlamps, and a strong 4-cylinder with only 33,001 miles. The power liftgate, LED brake lights, the tow hitch, parking sensors, a very spacious cargo area, and a comfortable back seat with cup holders. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row heated sport soft tech seating with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a push button start, a garage door opener, selective internet, a heated leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with Bluetooth, Sirius XM and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.